Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. I feel like this week has been really good for those non-phone jobs, which I know we all want. But of course, I threw some phone jobs in here too, a mixed bag, hopefully a little bit of something for everyone. We have some customer service jobs. We have a job that is hiring in the United States and Canada to mostly answer emails, and they are paying anywhere from $38 an hour on the low end up to $41 an hour on the high end. We even have a Cash App hiring, and Cash App is paying decent as well. So we are going to dive all in. Links, timestamps, all additional information you may need can always be found in the YouTube description box below this video. I do just want to throw a little disclaimer out that I don't work for any of these companies. I'm simply sharing what I find online. I cannot control how long the companies leave their job posting up, how many applications they accept before they take it down and start calling people who have applied in for interviews. So just know that going in. But first up, I have a part-time job to share with you for those of you who are looking just for some part-time work. OnTrac is hiring. Now, OnTrac is a package delivery service, much like UPS, DHL, FedEx, things like that. They have been known to deliver packages for large retail like clothing brands like Lululemon. They have 672 reviews from past and current employees, that overall employee satisfaction rating of 2.7 out of 5 stars. They're looking for a part-time customer care associate. Now, if you scroll all the way down at the bottom, it outlines all of the things that you're going to need to be able to work from home. And it does look like you have to have your own computer with this one. They are not providing any computer equipment. But if you have a computer to work with, they are looking for somebody to work 20 to 30 hours a week. They have multiple shifts available. And of course, they are going to give you training. Training starts July 14th and is going to go for 4 weeks. And then you'll be kind of on your own working the phones. But you are basically communicating and doing customer service with those customers about delivery of their packages, handling those phone calls, researching and problem solving, making sure that customers get smooth package delivery. Of course, you're documenting the delivery flow of a package into the tracking system and just assisting those customers with like delivery drivers through like the life cycle of a package delivery. Maybe they want to know when their package is going to be delivered, or maybe it got marked delivered but is not on their doorstep. So you're just troubleshooting and resolving any issues as needed. Now, they are looking for somebody who is friendly and creative, who can be a multitasker, be a problem solver. You have great communication skills, great customer service skills, and they do need somebody who can pass a background check. But sadly, they didn't list pay. That will need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. Now, next up, we have FuboTV hiring. FuboTV is like a streaming app, just like Netflix and all the things you can download, sign up for, and stream like movies, TV shows, things like that. They have 80 reviews from past and current employees, an overall rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a quality assurance coordinator. Now, this is remote for the United States, and they do note this is not a software engineering QA role. This is going to be quality assurance across all of their customer service channels. So you're doing that quality assurance, kind of like listening to those recorded phone calls, reading those chats and emails and social media messages that the customer service teams has answered, and you're playing that critical role in ensuring that their customer support is consistent, efficient, and aligned with the company values. So you're really managing the quality assurance across all those customer interaction channels, doing manual evaluations. You're going to be given quality standards, a checklist that these customer service interactions have to meet. And you're supporting the quality assurance team in meeting reviews, meeting quotas that they have to do reviews, meeting their productivity targets. You're just kind of conducting and facilitating that evaluation process, and you're producing those quality assurance reports, highlighting any trends that you see, and just collaborating with the training team, making sure everyone knows proper procedures. If someone needs to be retrained, you're kind of collaborating and coordinating with the training team. No college degree is needed for this one, just somebody who's had 2 years in some kind of quality assurance role for customer service center, somebody who has strong understanding of like customer service performance metrics, how to monitor those, somebody who has a strong analytical mindset. You can use like Excel or Google equivalent, Google Sheets, great communication skills, and you're highly organized. Now, pay for this one is $60,000 a year. Now, if you're looking for a really high paying job that's going to be mostly non phone, mostly answering those emails, Help Scout is hiring. Now, Help Scout only has 50 reviews, so always do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. They do have a 3.4 out of 5-star rating, though. They are looking for a technical support specialist. This is full-time remote. And pay for this position is anywhere from $81,000 a year to $87,000 a year. That breaks down anywhere between $38 an hour and $41 an hour. And they do state, if you scroll down a little bit, that they can hire in the United States or Canada. But of course, they're looking for somebody to work Monday through Friday, approximately like 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. in that Eastern Standard Time zone. So if you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to convert your hours to see if that works for you. But basically, Help Scout is on a mission to help businesses delight more customers. So they provide solutions, platforms, things like that to help businesses get customers. They are basically looking for somebody to help with the technical aspect of that, doing technical customer service, but you're going to work out of the main work queue and you're going to spend much of your day helping potential and current customers via email. So you are doing all this tech support mainly through email. It does say while email support will be the majority of your day, everyone on the team helps out. So if website chats come in and there's not someone who normally covers those, they need help, you will kind of help out in the website chat. And also if you're kind of chatting through the website chat and the email and the customer's just not understanding you, sometimes things just need to be explained in voice. You will hop on like an impromptu call with customers when needed, but that sounds like it's going to be occasional. It does say the majority of your day is going to be answering and responding to emails. But you're just troubleshooting potential bugs, documenting any feature requests that the customers have, and collaborating with the rest of the team to help elevate the voice of the customer at Help Scout. Now, they don't require any kind of a college degree. They're looking for somebody who can just take initiative and ownership and kind of see things through from start to finish, making sure it gets done. So someone who's eager to take on challenges, someone who doesn't mind working as a team, but is also self-sufficient on their own. And they do want somebody who's had experience in working at customer support before. You're passionate about customers, you're passionate about helping the customer, so you're patient and just an active listener. This 4-piece Wedge bed pillow set is great if you suffer from back pain, acid reflux, or if you just like to prop up and read and you have a hard time getting comfortable. So I would really like to thank the company for sending it to me to test out for you. Now, each wedge piece, also the bottom of it has a gripper so that they won't slide or move. And there's so many ways to configure this thing. I like personally taking the smaller wedge piece and kind of wedging it into my bed. And then I take the half moon piece and kind of lay it with the thinner side up, kind of on top of that wedge. Take the half moon piece, and it does have Velcro, so it will Velcro right on top so it doesn't slide. I use that kind of as like my headrest. And then this piece I put under my knees so I can kind of prop up, put this, it fits, the triangle fits right under my knees, and I just kind of prop up and read. But this head pillow piece can be moved, and you can actually put it down as a footrest. Now, where other pillows might slide or mush down the more you lay on them, because this is made of memory foam, it kind of conforms to your body and doesn't really move. So I found it great for even using like on my Chase Lounge to prop up and read my books. And it is also great for laying across like a couch or love seat. And I find that I actually can lay on my side with this as well. It gives me that support to kind of keep my back and spine right in a line, and so I don't like sink down into the couch. So if you're looking for a Wedge pillow set, I can highly recommend this one. And of course, we have Cash App hiring. Now, Cash App is a part of Block. Block is like the parent company, and they own multiple things like Cash App and the little square card that you can attach to your phone that small businesses, food trucks, things like that can accept credit cards. Block has 1,900 reviews from past and current employees with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a Bitcoin customer support advocate. They're basically looking for somebody who kind of understands Bitcoin or understands blockchain technology to offer excellent customer service through phone messaging and email to their customers. You're helping these customers with Bitcoin transactions, wallet management, and account security. So if you have the Cash app, you know you can send money to people, receive money from people, but you can also, Cash App has like an investing part. You can also kind of buy some stock, buy some crypto, buy some Bitcoin. And so customers who are trying to do that investing and buying Bitcoin specifically and then hold it in their Cash App wallet, you're helping them get those transactions processed. You're solving any issues they have related to the platform. So might be some tech support involved. You're just working to find any solutions to their problems, making sure that the customer experience goes off without a hitch. No college degree is needed. They do want somebody who's spent 2 years of customer service experience. While they prefer that experience to be in like a fintech or financial industry, it does not have to be. You do have to have great communications though, and be able to understand Bitcoin transactions or cryptocurrency security principles. They want somebody who's passionate again about customers, who has strong listening skill, and you have to be able to type at least 50 words a minute. A lot of this is going to be typing over email, chat, tickets, things like that, but they do have the option of phone calls, so just know this might require some phone work. Now, Cash App always pays based on location. They do have a resource linked that breaks down the United States so you know what zone your state is in rather, but pay is anywhere from $19.71 an hour all the way up to $39.47 an hour. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.